Thanks, Steve. Race number 4 and more weather obstacles. Not for Friday, though. Temperatures actually well above average and quite a bit warmer than last year's race, with a lot of the drivers and their crews are going to be looking at those conditions. Prepare for a warm one. 78 degrees at 11:30 under partly cloudy skies for the first time. The drivers make their way out onto the track at Kansas Speedway. 4 o'clock, qualifying happening at a warm 86 degrees. We're going to need some sunscreen. For day 2, Saturday, we're looking at additional practices here. No problems, partly cloudy skies and warmer temperatures. Still quite a bit above average, but we've got a cold front and soon to be a stationary front just out to the west of us. So we're trying to see if we're going to see some rain chances here. Saturday looks like a very, very small chance, below 20%. So for 2:30, Kansas Lottery 300, your nationwide series race. No problems, partly cloudy and 81 degrees. Sunday, on the other hand, that front tries to get a little bit closer. At this point, looks like it should stay west. We're going to go with a slight chance for a pop-up shower or storm. Without delays, the better, because it starts to increase later in the day. 73 for that green flag, 76 degrees for that daytime high. Steve, back to you.